This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Vicky Peters CRB, CRS, GRI. Purchase a little county yet minutes to I-74/I-65. Low maintenance, full brick custom home on 2 acres. 4th bedroom is office/den without closet. Meticulously maintained plus lots of recent investments in upgrades, high efficient 2-stage gas furnace and AC in 2020, LG appliance package 2018, recent vinyl plank flooring. Pella wood windows, 9 ceilings and amp, 4 hallway. All seasons sunroom overlooks open fields. Outdoor offers 6 aluminum fenced area, fire pit, open patio plus your own garden spot. 24 by 30 detached garage plus 2-car oversized attached garage. Propane tank is owned by seller and amp, will convey with sale, which means you can shop for the best propane price. Partial encapsulated crawl with visqueen barrier, perimeter drain and amp, sump pump. Truly move-in ready. For more information, review the details below.